everyone! Grandma's here, and we're playing a game of tag! Tag! Lose it! You can't catch me! Uh-oh! Run!
Oh, hello, baby truck! Do you want to join our game of tag, little one?
You're it, baby truck!
Now it's your turn to tag someone.
Whoa! Bless you, dear.
Steaming screwdrivers! That bang didn't sound good!
Are you okay, Mummy Truck?
Let's get you in the garage and find out what's wrong.
You've blown a gasket. Now there's nothing to seal your engine and stop it from overheating. No wonder you're tired, dear.
Your engine is leaking oil and coolant. We need to fix you fast. Don't worry, baby truck. Your mummy will be just fine. I'll fix her up so she feels as good as new.
And don't you worry, Mummy Truck. We'll look after your baby while my Gecko gets to work on your repairs.
Ah, thanks, Grandma.
Come on, gang. I have an idea for a fun way to help Mummy Truck feel better.
Now, what tools do I need?
Screwdriver. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. A gasket creates a seal for cooling liquid that stops your engine overheating. Yours has cracked and needs replacing. Carefully does it. Righty-tighty, but not too tight. And finally, top you up with fresh cooling liquid to stop your engine from getting too hot. There! How'd you feel? Now, after all that fixing, you deserve a treat in the car wash. Or should I say, spa wash? You just relax, Mummy Truck. Repaired, recharged and refreshed. And ready for a surprise?
We love you, Mummy Truck.
Mummy Truck's better now the fixing is done. And Baby Truck's it. So everyone, run! Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Grandma's here, and we're playing a game of tag. Tag! Lose it! You can't catch me! Uh-oh! Run!
Oh, hello, baby truck. Do you want to join our game of tag, little one?
You're it, baby truck.
Now it's your turn to tag someone.
Whoa! Bless you, dear.
Steaming screwdrivers! That bang didn't sound good.
Are you okay, Mummy Truck?
Let's get you in the garage and find out what's wrong.
You've blown a gasket. Now there's nothing to seal your engine and stop it from overheating. No wonder you're tired, dear.
Your engine is leaking oil and coolant. We need to fix you fast. Don't worry, baby truck. Your mummy will be just fine. I'll fix her up so she feels as good as new.
And don't you worry, Mummy Truck. We'll look after your baby while my Gecko gets to work on your repairs.
Ah, thanks, Grandma.
Come on, gang. I have an idea for a fun way to help Mummy Truck feel better.
Now, what tools do I need?
Screwdriver. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. A gasket gasket creates a seal for cooling liquid that stops your engine overheating. Yours has cracked and needs replacing. Carefully does it. Righty-tighty, but not too tight. And finally, top you up with fresh cooling liquid to stop your engine from getting too hot. There! How'd you feel? Now, after all that fixing, you deserve a treat in the car wash. Or should I say, spa wash? You just relax, Mummy Truck. Prepared, recharged and refreshed. And ready for a surprise?
We love you, Mummy Truck!
Mummy Truck's better now the fixing is done. And Baby Truck's it. So everyone, run! Goodbye, everyone!
Oh, what's wrong, Green?
Whoa! Cat and Helena are here for us to fit the brand new gadget. Get ready, Mechanicals!
Green?
Hola, Gecko! Oh, hi, Cat! Haha, time to fit some extra special kit. Go, go, Mechanicals!
May I talk with her, Gecko?
Thanks, Cat.
What is wrong, Corazon? Would you like to help me with something?
All done and ready for a test run. Wait, we can't test it without Green.
Sometimes I don't feel so great too, but sad feelings will pass, like the clouds.
We're ready on the ground, Cat! Go, go, Helena Helicopter!
All yours, Green. I believe in you.
Oh, great job, Cat! That was amazing!
It was all green.
Oh, well done, Green! Spinning screwdrivers! Who could that be?
Oh, hello, Frog. Perhaps you've noticed my new car. This is Sylvester, or Sly for short.
Hi, Sylvester. Nice to meet you. Excuse us, please. Someone needs our help. Dylan's in trouble at the construction site.
Allow us to help. We'll get there in no time.
I think we'd better go anyway, Mechanicals. Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck!
I wonder if we can help Dylan without getting close to that horrid mud. Ah! Not that button! Aha! I knew we'd fix this! Pull, Sly! Do I have to do everything myself? Pull me out, Sly! Curse this miserable mud!
Don't worry, we'll soon get you free. Go, go, Mechanicals! Perhaps you'd like to visit my car wash, Sly.
Oh.
And you're welcome to use it too, Mr. Weasel.
No, thank you.
See you again soon, everyone. Bye! Blue, where are you? Hello, everyone. We're working outside today because Fiona's ladder is stuck. She's too tall. Oh, we'd better check your tyres too, Fiona. Oh, Blue. Could someone get the car jack, please? Good job, Red. I'll just get my wrench. Bouncing bots! Don't worry, Red. We'll get you down somehow. Green, yellow, fetch a blanket. I have an idea. Red, when I say let go, you let go, okay? Let go! Oh. Blue, it's time to be a hero. Ready, Blue? 3, 2, 1, go! Don't worry, we'll catch you! Phew. You saved the day, Blue. Hooray for our hero! Come on, Super Mechanical. Let's finish Fiona's service. We'll see you again soon. Bye!
Hello, everyone. Kat's putting on a magic show, and I'm her assistant. For my next trick, could I please have a volunteer? Yes, baby truck. Stand here, Porfis. Ah, my cue. Magnets attract things made of metal, like baby truck. This dial controls the magnet's pulling strength. With a wave of my wand, Alakazam! Perfecto! Who's next? Molly! Prepare to float by magic! That's not part of the show. We'll get you down, Yellow. I'll just turn off the magnet.
Oh no! Yellow's stuck in the tree.
Let's take a break. I'll be back.
Cat, maybe we could use your magic silks as a rope to get Yellow down.
Buena idea, Gecko. Catch, Yellow.
Go, Tilly Tow Truck! Hold on, Yellow! Poor Yellow's terrified of heights. Oh no, Yellow! How will we get her down from that mountain? I know. We'll attach my spare magnet to Helena's grabbing arm and pull Yellow to us.
Great plan. Let's go.
Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time. The magnet is heavy, so to take the strain, we'll attach it with a big strong chain. With a wrench and bolts, we'll make the change, so the magnet boosts our grabbing range. Connect the wire through this hole to give us full magnetic control. With the dial in place and the magnet below, we can save our dear friend Yellow.
magnet won't drop you, I promise. Got you. Now, let's get back to the magic show. Are you ready for the finale?
Alla katsam!
Yay! Bravo, Cat! Oh, see you all next time! Hello, everyone. We're just on our way to Cat's base for a cake sale.
Hola, amigos. Welcome to my cake sale. We have donuts, cupcakes, and my favorite, tres leches.
Where are the cakes, Cat?
Oh no! My cakes have been stolen!
These cakes are delicious, and they're all mine. Not yours, Sly. Get your own. I'm so full. I think I'll just shut my eyes.
Oh no! Mr. Weasel's asleep at the wheel after that sports car. Oh! Mr. Weasel! Wake up! We have to stop them! Hold on tight, mechanicals! Mr. Weasel, are you okay? It's okay, Sly. It's just a flat tyre. We can fix that. Gecko knows just what to do. With a patched up tyre, you're good as new.
Gecko, any sign of my cakes? Excelente! You found the cakes!
Yeah, well done, Sly.
No! Finders keepers. They're mine. No.
Come on, Cat. Let's get these treats back to your cake sale. Goodbye, everyone. Hello there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh, look! It's the twins, Barry and Kerry. Oh, they look like they're having a lot of fun. Oh, no! Barry's crashed! Quick, mechanicals! We need to help! Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Aha! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue? Hey! Yay! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start.
Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. Oh,
I knew there was something fishy going on.
that fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Looking spooky, Mechanicals. You're all ready for Halloween. Even Tilly is joining in. What's the matter, Green? There's a monster outside? I'd better take a look. Don't worry, Mechanicals. There's no such thing as monsters. Hello? Hello? Are you okay, friend? Come into the light. Oh dear, Max. You need a Halloween clean. Let's get you in the car wash. Don't worry, Mechanicals. Remember, there are no monsters. When you're ready, Max. There you go, Max. Not so scary anymore. Happy Halloween, everyone! Now, Max!
Oh, what's all this noise about?
Great landing, Max. Those new suspension springs helped you land really softly. Guess we won't need my backup plan. Eh, Red? I just need to make a few last tweaks.
Ha! You want to be more like your brother, eh, Molly? Stay right here. I'll give your wheels far better suspension springs than Gecko. You'll see.
Almost done, Max. What's that?
That's bouncier than I expected.
Oh no! Molly is too bouncy! We've got to stop her! Quick, Red! The backup plan! Ready, Red? Now, Red! Use the backup plan! It's all right now, Molly. I know you just wanted to be like your big brother. Let's fix those springs, shall we? Go, Molly!
Gecko thinks he can make better springs than me,
Those new springs mean you'll land okay. So goodbye, Molly. You can go and play. Hello, everyone. We're getting ready for a carnival. The Mechanicals are just finishing off their costumes. I love the jacket, Grandma.
Thanks, Gecky. Carnival is all about love. Now, where are my mini metal ones? I want to see their costumes.
Oh, a brilliant banana.
Oh, Blue, my heart.
No need to be shy, Green. You look amazing. Wait, where's Red?
Come on, you lot. Let's get this show on the road.
What's wrong, buddy? This is the design for your costume. It's amazing. It really is. It's okay to feel nervous, Red, but don't worry about what others think of you. Carnival is all about expressing yourself and being proud of who you are. And I'll always be proud of you. Oh, yay! Hey!
Start your engines.
Come on, Red, you can do it. I'm so proud of you all. Let the carnival continue. Hello, everyone. Trevor's just delivered his plough for us to fix. Huh? Ah, and here's Dandy with Fiona Firetruck for her checkup. Coming, you two. Oopsie! It's freezing out here. Ooh. Hello, Dandy.
Oh, hi, Gecko. Hey, Mechanicals. Who wants a game of tag? Zoinks! Looks like I'm it!
Shall we get started on your checkup, Fiona?
Mechanicals! Where are you?
Everything's looking good so far, Fiona. Let's just check your hose.
Are you hiding in here? Ooh. Dandy dive!
Huh? Dandy, are you okay?
Whoa! Gecko, come outside! The water from the hose has frozen.
Careful, Blue. It's not an ice rink. The ice is too bumpy to skate on. How can we make it smooth and safe? Aha! I know how to make an ice rink. We'll turn Fiona into an ice resurfacer. What tools do I need? Wrench! Drill! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. The ice is too bumpy, so to make it smooth, the blades in this plough can remove all the grooves. Attach Fiona's hose to the plough here, please, to create a flat layer of water to freeze. This old car wash sponge will polish and shine. And now our ice rink is mighty fine. Oh, it's working! Thanks, Fiona. Together we turned an accident into brilliant fun.
Look how much fun the Mechanicals are having. I'm so excited to skate.
It's safe to skate now, Blue. I've got you.
I'm skating!
Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're giving Fiona Firetruck a service. Oh, it's been a long day. Excuse me. Now, what's next, Mechanicals? I think this is yours, Blue. Now, what were we doing, Mex? All done? Spinning screwdrivers! That went quickly. Hello, everyone. Eric the Excavator's in for his service. We have to check he's fit and healthy for all the digging he does. Who wants to help? I think I'll choose yellow. I know you want to play, but I think you'll have just as much fun working in the garage. We'll start by checking your engine, Eric. Let's have a nice loud rev. You can do better than that, Eric. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey! Great catch, Yellow. Time to test your caterpillar tread. That's part of the service, Eric. Let's see how your digger arm's working. Ooh! Needs a spot of oil, Yellow. Well done, Eric. You've passed your service, so you're all ready for lots more digging. Do you want to go and join them, Yellow? I told you work could be fun. See you all soon for more work and fun here at Gecko's Garage. Hello, everyone. We're getting ready for movie night here at the garage. How's it looking, Grandma?
The screen looks perfect, Gecky. Oh, hello there, Blue. I hope you're getting my good side.
Now we just need the truck family to bring the popcorn machine and we're ready.
Huh? Baby Truck! Oh, what's wrong, dear?
Mummy Truck's in danger. Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck. Baby Truck, lead the way. Spinning screwdrivers! Mummy Truck could fall into the river. Whether friends or family in need, us geckos help with care and speed. All set, Grandma! It's not working.
If only her trailer were lighter.
That's it! We can lighten Mummy Truck's load if we pop that corn. To stop Mummy Truck from dropping, I need to make this corn start popping.
Hurry, Gecko! That popcorn needs to pop faster.
Then let's boost the power. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, I know. Get ready for a popcorn storm. Go, Mummy Truck.
Grandma's got you, dear.
The taste of sweet success.
What movie are we watching, Gecko? Attack of the Giant Forklift?
No, it's a special premiere. Blues film, A Brave Baby Truck's Rescue.
Ooh, I hear the cast is fabulous.
Hello, everyone. Bobby has a new bus route today, and he should be here to pick us up any second. Aha! Right on time. Hello, Bobby.
You're looking very dapper today, Bobby. We're all looking forward to our ride. Aren't we, my mini metal ones?
Seatbelts on, everyone.
Let's get this show on the road. How about a little sing-song? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
The wheels on Bobby go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on Bobby go round and round all day long. The wheels on Bobby go up and down, up and down, up and down. The wheels on Bobby go up and down all day long.
What next?
The wheels on Bobby go under the bridge, under the bridge! That bridge is too low, Bobby! Stop! You won't fit underneath!
Bouncing batteries. Poor Bobby's had a boo-boo.
Bobby's worried about being late. Don't worry, old friend. We'll have you fixed up and back on your route in no time. First, we need to adjust your suspension so you can rise up and down. But we're going to need some help. Tilly's here to save the day. What tools do I need? Suction cup. Jack. Gecko's garage. Time to fix. Gecko's garage. Let's fix this. First, I must place the suction cup on. Then with a clamp and a pull, the dent is all gone. To fit under this bridge, Bobby needs to be smaller. But first we need this jack to make him taller. Wire Bobby's suspension to controls inside. To go up and down and safely ride. Let's try the bridge again, shall we? You can do it, Bobby.
I know. How about a bit of music? The wheels on Bobby go under the bridge, under the bridge,
under the bridge. The wheels on Bobby go under the bridge with no problems at all.
Yes! Well done, Bobby. See you next time. Oh, thanks, Red. Oh, it really is hot today. Look over there. Baby and Mama are going for a picnic. But Baby doesn't look well at all. Come on, Baby Truck. Let's take a look at you and find out what's wrong. Oh, that's the problem. You're way too hot. Quick, Mechanicals, fetch some water. Oh dear, you've not been drinking enough water, have you? It's important to drink lots of water when it's hot. That's better. But I think you're still too hot. Aha! I've got it! Turn the car wash down to cold, please, Red. All right, Baby Truck. Time to cool off. All better. Now you can go to your picnic. Have a great time. Bye! All done. With these improvements, you'll be unstoppable, Mechanicals. Oh no! Blue, come back! Blue! He's too high up for us to reach him. We need some help.
Bueno, this is Cat.
Cat! It's an emergency. We need your help to rescue Blue.
Got it, Gecko. It's rescue time, Helena.
Thanks for coming so quickly, Cat. This tracker says Blue's close.
Oh! Maybe closer than you thought.
He's running out of fuel. Now's our chance. Cat, lower me down to Blue.
Time to be un superhero.
Oh. Whoa! Don't worry, Blue. I'm right here. Oh, Blue! Time to test those improvements.
¡Qué padre! I didn't know geckos could fly.
Neither did I. Hello, everyone. Mr. Weasel's challenged us to a game of football. And I've got 2 terrific trucks on my team.
That trophy is mine! Frogs Flops can't match Weasel's winners. Remember, Max, you stay in goal. Because you blocked the whole thing.
Start your engines. If you have one, that is.
Good luck, team. Enjoy yourselves.
And they're off. Baby Truck is dribbling. With the ball, that is. There's no way past Max the Monster Keeper. Oh, Weasel's wheels go on the attack. Great tackle. Oh no, Baby Truck has a flat tire.
Oh, baby! What rotten luck!
Weasel to Sly, who runs into Tilly. Now Tilly's exhaust has fallen off. This game is bananas.
Pass to me! Pass to me, Sly! You'll only miss! Oh! No! That was your fault, Sly!
Oh dear, you two need a fast fix.
Ooh, it's half time.
Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Baby's hurt, but brave all the same. With a brand new tyre, she's back in the game. Tilly's exhaust fell off with a crash. So let's reattach it quick as a flash. Now we've had a little rest, let's get back out and try our best.
Stop dawdling, you two! We have to win! Whatever it takes!
Team Gecko on the attack, repaired and ready to go. Wowee! Tilly's faster than ever with her new exhaust.
Look out!
Wow! A ropey challenge by Weasel. Red card.
Never!
Seconds left! We could win it with this free kick! Go, go, team!
Goal! Gecko's garage!
No, no, no! Not fair! Cheating usually works for me.
Well done, teams. Fair play, won today. Bye, everyone.
Almost back at the garage, Mechanicals. Whoa! Someone's dropped rubbish on the road. There's lots of it. And Mama Recycle does not look happy. Come on, if we follow the trail, we'll find out who's dropping it. The trail goes to the left. It's Dylan, the dump truck. His broken tailgate's dropping litter. But his music's so loud he doesn't notice. Mechanicals, we've got to turn down Dylan's music. Let's recycle and save the day. Using things we've thrown away. Dylan! Dylan!
Oh?
Your tailgate's broken. But don't worry, I'll fix it. While Mama Recycle and the Mechanicals sort the rubbish. All done. How's the recycling going? See you again soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Dylan, turn it down.